right, guys, 2019 Dodge Charger HEMI 57 RT. Really beautiful black color. I like this car. Nice. 57 HEMI. HEMI. Got factory converters there and there. Then factory X pipe right there. Then we did a mid-muffler delete there and there. As you guys can see with them beautiful welds, we appreciate. And you guys appreciate too. We leave the valves in there. You don't want to take the valves out unless you have dummies put into the computer or a tune, because they are controlled by the transmission. And there's the rear delete there. I mean, we left the rear ones on, the rear resonators there and there. And factory tips that he'll probably change later on. This is his first exhaust mod. There's the mids that we took off right there. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. And you know the deal, sharing is caring. So make sure you guys share. Share the heck out of these videos for us. Get it out there. Much better. Crazy what just a mid-muffler delete does on these things. Look, it just opens up drag. Where's sound decibels? 116. Wow. Go ahead and back it out. Wow, the 5.7. Man, that HEMI just 5.7 gives it a distinctive. It just gives it a sound. All right, let you guys hear on that. And hopefully it'll give us a good burnout. Let's see.